All right, hello everybody. My name is Joe Hollis. All right, I just want to mention this plant. This is Aralia Racemosa, Spikenard, or the local dialect, Spikenard. So the ginseng family is actually the Araliaceae. This is the type genus of the Aralias. So this is related to ginseng. This is one of the biggest herbs you're going to see in the woods. It's going to get clusters of little purple berries later on that people like to eat or tincture. It's a huge big root. Roots go out in all directions and used primarily for respiratory system issues. Sometimes you see it quite abundantly, and then we will see in a few minutes the Japanese equivalent to this, Aralia cordata. So as I say, there's a lot of closely related stuff. Asian ginseng, American ginseng. You got American spikenard and we got Asian spikenard. Other things we're looking at in here is black cohosh. It's all around here, and then quite a bit more of the beautiful trilliums, more of the woods nettle, more of the geranium.